Hello students, in GK today we will learn page number 30. Topic is medical equipments. Students, what is the meaning of equipments? Equipment means tools. Here medical equipment means the tools which are used by doctors to check the proper functioning of our body. Here in this page we have given some descriptions, and below that there are some pictures of tools also given. From these pictures we will get the clues for the answer for these descriptions. Find out the answer from these pictures. Here first question is, or first description is, check the tool which is used to check the blood pressure. Students, this is a very common instrument for you. When you see the picture of this instrument, you will be very familiar with that, but it is very difficult to you read the name of this instrument. So I will show the picture of this instrument. See that. See, this is the instrument which is used to check our blood pressure. The name of this tool is sphygmomanometer. Students, see the spelling, learn the spelling properly. Sphygmomanometer. This is the instrument the doctors used in hospital to check the blood pressure of a patient. Now I will give more inscriptions about this sphygmomanometer. This word is derived from the Greek language. Sphygmo means beating of heart or pulse. Manometer means to measure tension or pressure. So what is the full meaning of sphygmomanometer? To check or to measure the blood pressure or the heartbeat. This instrument is invented by Carl Samuel Ritter von Basch in 1881. Students, there are three types of sphygmomanometers. First one is mercury, that I have already shown. That sphygmomanometer is commonly used in hospitals by doctors. First one is mercury, and the next one is aneroid, and the third one is digital. Now the next two instruments pictures also I will show you. What is aneroid? See, this is the aneroid sphygmomanometer. In this instrument there is a meter. The meter shows the blood pressure of the patient, which is checked or which is measuring. From this reading we can measure the blood pressure of the patients. The third one is digital sphygmomanometer. This is very easy to use. Anyone can use this sphygmomanometer to measure the blood pressure. The first reading is showing the systolic blood pressure in our heartbeat, and the second one is diastolic. First one is systolic and second one is diastolic. Two readings are showing. Here in this instrument or the tool, the reading is given in digital way, very easy to read by anyone. Now we will move to the second description in this page. Second one is, it blows oxygen into the lungs. Which instrument is used to blow oxygen into the lungs? Ventilator. Students, this word is very familiar with us, because as COVID-19 is going, as many patients are reaching at their serious situation or serious condition, doctors are using this ventilator to save the patient or support his life. So this word is very familiar to you. What is ventilator? The instrument which is used to blow oxygen into the lungs. Answer, write in your GK textbook. See the spelling. Now, who invented this tool? By Forrest Bird in 1950s. So what is the use of this tool? This is help to provide artificial respiration when a person has severe breathing problem or unable to breathe properly, or his breath failing, or the patient will be failing in breathing. That condition, doctors are using ventilator to support the patient's life or save the patient's life. The other names of ventilator is respirator, ventilation, vent, blower, etc. Now I will show the picture of this ventilator. See, this is a complicated machine, students. See that this is ventilator. Now we will move to the third question in this page. It works on sound waves. Which tool is worked on sound waves? Ultrasound machine. Students, this word is not familiar to you, but the another name of this tool is very familiar to you. Many times you might have heard this word, that is sonography. The other name of sonography is ultrasound machine. This machine is mainly used for examining various body organs like heart, liver, kidney, pancreas. That means the internal organs of our body. If any problem or any damage is inside these internal organs, we can find out or diagnose with the help of this ultrasonic sound or ultrasound machine or sonography. Who invented this machine? It is invented by Ian Donald and Tom Brown in 1956. So I will show the picture of sonography machine or ultrasound machine. See, this is the machine. This is the functioning part of the machine, and the top one is a screen showing. There we can see the image or the picture of the body parts which are functioning, and we can get the film from this picture also. From the film or from the image, doctors can diagnose the problem of a patient. This is ultrasonic sound or ultrasound machine. Now we will move to the fourth question in this page. Fourth question is, it gives us the picture of our internal bone structure. Students, this equipment is very familiar with us. You may heard this word many times, X-ray machine. What is the answer for this question? X-ray machine. Who invented this machine? This machine is invented by William Röntgen in 1895. What is the use of this machine? Used to diagnose the bones fracture, tumors, infections such as pneumonia, dental issues, etc. Now, I will show the picture of this tool. See, this is very familiar. Students, children also might have seen this machine. When you go to hospital, if any fracture, sprain or any dislocation in bones, you see, doctors are sending you to take the X-ray. This is the X-ray machine. You have to lay down or you have to keep the part which have dislocated or fracture under this machine. The picture or the image will shown on the screen or in the film which is kept inside this part. So in the film we will get the picture of internal organ which has any damage. The doctors will diagnose from that picture or from the film. This is X-ray machine. Now we will move to our fifth question. Question is, it is used to check blood and urine samples. So which machine is used to use blood and urine samples? Microscope. Microscope. Write the answer in GK textbook. This word is derived from the Greek word. Micro means very small. Scopian means to see. So microscope means to see very minute microorganisms or very small minute organisms. Who invented this? This microscope is invented by Zacharias Janssen. This instrument we use to see the microorganisms which are unable to see through our naked eyes. So there are two types of microscope. Which are they? First one is optical microscope and the second one is electronic microscope. This optical microscope you might have seen, students. Commonly we use this microscope. That is, in our science lab, we are using this microscope. The another name of this microscope is compound microscope. I will show the picture of these two types. First one is compound microscope or optical microscope. See, under this machine there is under this instrument there is a lens kept. Through the lens we can see the particles or the light flashes on the object, and it helps the microscope to visible the smaller organisms or invisible organisms. So the name given for this optical microscope or compound microscope. This microscope is commonly used in laboratories and our science labs. Now the next one is electron microscope. This microscope is a very advanced type of microscope which is used to see very tiny microorganisms. This is very commonly used to find the minute particles or minute microorganism. This is the picture of the electron microscope. Now we will move to the sixth question. Question is, it can scan the entire body. So, which instrument is used to scan the entire body? CT scanner. See, CT scanner, it means computed tomography. The full form of CT scanner is computed tomography. It is a combination of many X-rays taken from a different angles of specific area to inside the object without any cutting. Cutting means without any surgery, without opening our body. This instrument help us to investigate or diagnose the problems inside a specific area of the, suppose it is the head injury or any other part, our shoulder injury, whatever be there. So the specific area, this instrument take different angles. The photo from using X-rays, it take from different angles the photo or film. From this, doctors can diagnose the problem or that particular area. Who invented this? This is invented by Sir Godfrey Hounsfield in 1967. I will show the CT scanner. What kind of this machine is? See, this is the machine. The patient is laying down on this bed type part and the scanning is doing in this part. This is the CT scanner. Now we will move to our next question. Question is, it uses magnetic waves to scan. Which instrument is used to magnetic waves to scan? MRI scanner. Full form of MRI scanner is magnetic resonance imaging. As it is the name representing, this machine is working under a magnetic instrument. This is invented by Raymond Damadian. This instrument is used for examining the brain and spinal cord. Students, while examining this using this instrument, the patients are not allowed to use any type of metallic objects or metallic instruments or metallic tools with his body, as it is attracted by the magnetic machine. Now I will show the picture of this machine, MRI scanner. See, this is the MRI scanner. This machine is also just like the CT scanner, but in this machine the patient is completely taken inside the machine. Inside the machine the diagnosis is taking. Now this is the 8th and the last question of this page. Question is, it checks the functions of the body. Which instrument is used to check the functions of our body? PET scanner or PET scanner. Anyway, we can read PET scanner. PET means positron emission tomography. This is the full form of PET scanner. This is invented by Edward J. Hoffman in 1950. It helps and reveals how our body and organs are functioning. Students, I will show the picture of PET scanner also. All the scanners are somewhat in the same shape and working model. See, this is the PET scanner. See, this is also like CT scanner and a MRI scanner. So, students, this CT scanner, MRI scanner and the PET scans all are used to diagnostic tools that helps us to look inside the body without any surgery. That means CT scan, MRI scan and PET scan. All these scanners are used to diagnose the internal problems or internal organs of a patient without opening the body or without any surgery, non-surgically. Now we have completed this page. Students, write all the answers in your GK textbook and revise the lesson before starting the next chapter. Students, all the detailed inscriptions or descriptions I have given only for your knowledge only. There is no need to write in the GK book. You have to write only the answers for the given questions only.